Hey Emily, I wanted to give you your report for Revive. The as far as the trust flow numbers, that stayed the same from last month, and the citation flow was 30. We had 365 backlinks last month, and now we have 535. And then for keywords that you're ranking for, you're ranking for 38, now you're ranking for 60, and your traffic was 7, now it's 13. And then when you look at how you're going overall, some of these are, this one hasn't, this one's still in the top 10, the IV therapy near me, but this one looks like it broke on the first page, the IV hydration therapy in Jacksonville. Some of these haven't made any jumps at all, but yeah, we're seeing some progress there. And also just to look at your competitors. I took 3 from Orlando and 2 from Jacksonville, and you can see who's getting the majority of the traffic. It's Ivy Lounge and Thrive Infusions right here at the top. But your average position is 32, and so we have a little room for improvement there. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions.